Hello, hello. There's a new update. So let's have a look. Settings. Okay. Got my two fabulous pens here. So 319, beta 319. So this is similar to the reMarkable Paper Pro, but it's its own thing. So let's go through it. What's new in beta? Grid size. You can now choose to preview your content with small, medium, or large thumbnails. So I'll show you that. So you can see I've got my thumbnails here. I'll show you this in a minute, this long press. Don't worry about that. So that is medium grid. It obviously just assigned that when it updated its software. So large grid, you can see that is very large. So you can make it really big so that you can see it. You can go medium, which is what it was in, or you can go small and see more, which is the thing I will use for now. All right, let's go back to this beta update. Next, settings layout. We've made cloud, display, and help their own sections. So if you've already watched my other, my Paper Pro beta update, you can just skip ahead to the next one. But basically there was about four, I don't know, don't quote me, 4 or 5 items here. Now there's 7. And what they've done is they've put cloud in its own space so that you can see you can sync it with the cloud. So your cloud is your my.remarkable.com account online, which I've got a few videos about that. If you don't know what that is, have a look on the channel and I explain that. Display is in its own space. So now you can show your open document or overview when in standby. So my understanding is that this is standby, and it's when I did this on the Paper Pro, it did not show me my open document. So let's just say I was using the address book. Let me just use the address book. It's going to be easier. What is it? Notebooks, address book. So I was in here and playing around. Now this is open, right? So this is open. Now if I go into standby, there was a mode where you would then still see the document. And that's what I would have thought would have happened. But this is actually my suspended screen template that I've uploaded myself after I did it after the software updates came out. So I'm not sure why it's not showing this open document. Anyway, just information for you. I don't have those answers because I don't work for reMarkable or anything. So cloud, display, and help. So we also have help. Now in help, you've got these things. The compliance statements are sort of all the bodies the compliance bodies that reMarkable must work with, I'm guessing. I won't go into copyright and licenses. It's just a whole thing. And then my password is down the bottom, my device password. But this is interesting, system time. I don't want you to think that you can change this, because this is not my time of day. It's like 8:30 in the morning for me. It is on the 15th of April. But if you change that, so if we go in here, if you change that, you will have problems updating your software and syncing with the cloud. So the cloud, remember, is where all your documents are kept. They're on here, but they're also mirrored back to the cloud, right? This has to stay, this time here has to stay at UTC, which is what Greenwich mean time used to be. This is help now has its own section. Anyway, just so you know, and just don't be changing all that. Just a piece of advice. You don't have to take it, but if you change all that, you're going to come into problems. So they're new. Help, display, and cloud are new. Go back to general, go back to software, release notes. That's grid size, settings layout, and sleep and standby. We've added a little message that tells you when your paper tablet is waking up. Okay, we've added a little message, sleep and standby. So I'm guessing maybe that's not sleep. No, maybe that's not standby. Maybe that's why. I think maybe standby is, you know, when it's you have inactivity for 20 minutes, that's probably where you get that picture of the document you're working on. That's what it is, I think. And sleep mode is probably the same too. Please hold. I'm just going to check. Okay, so this is interesting. It says to put a reMarkable in standby mode, simply press the power button once. The device will display reMarkable is sleeping. Now, I guess it's not displaying that because I've got a different screen. Maybe that was the image that had reMarkable is sleeping. Maybe that's why. To wake it, press the power button again. So that is standby mode. This is standby mode, okay? Now let's find out what sleep mode is. Okay, to put a reMarkable in sleep mode, press the power button once. A message to indicate the device is sleeping will appear on the screen. To wake the device, press the power button again. Put the device in sleep mode by pressing the power button once. The reMarkable is sleeping message will appear. I'm guessing that's a screen that I've replaced, so that's why that isn't there. Wake the device by pressing the power button once. Turn off reMarkable 2 by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Well, I won't do that because it's not going to show you then. You'll then be asked if you want to turn it off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so a little longer. Do you want to turn it off? So you can tick turn off. Turn, and then it's going to go to, this is a different screen, but I just used the same image. Now turn on reMarkable by holding the power button until the screen flashes from black to white. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was 4 seconds. Paper tablet is starting. Reset the device by pressing the power button for 5 seconds. Okay. So we just still, paper tablet is still starting, flashes again. And then I think there's a loading bar that will come up shortly. Yeah, see that? See that loading bar there? That's always present. Doesn't matter what screen you have here, that's always present. Okay, so anyway, just an extra bit of information. If you're wondering, when we go back here into software release notes, sleep and standby, we've added a little message that tells you when your paper tablet is waking up. Okay, I haven't seen that. And I'm not sure if that's because it's an image screen that I've replaced. That's probably what it is. But anyway, that is what it says. That is what there is. So I hope that's helpful for you. Any love on the channel would be appreciated. Bye.